Someone is following us. I don't know where. What's that? What is that? What is that? What was that?
What's that?
Oh God! Hurry up! Go! 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 Go!
I can hear something. Just stop it!
Someone's there!
Should we go down here?
I don't know. It's scary.
I'm really worried about seeing a face in one of these windows.
You know, the face was on that window.
Which one? Which one?
Shh. That window. This window.
That's the door so Look at this door. I know, that's freaky. That's freaky. They bricked it up. What was that? It sounded like hello. Did you hear it?
Yeah, I heard that.
That sounded like a disembodied voice.
But it's going. That noise was in the direction of where we have to walk.
No. Is this the window you're talking about, Chris?
Yes.
Careful. Don't stay very long. Okay, we need to find the stairwell. What?
Did you hear it?
Yes,
What did you guys hear?
It's something or someone in that house.
Yeah.
What?
I heard like you know when you put the toilet seat down. That's what it sounded like.
Really?
Yeah, but there's no lights in there. Did you hear that, Christine?
Yes.
Right. Well, then we're going to go around the house. Let's go.
Again.
Shh. We're walking around here. Come on. What is that noise?
He was there.
Shh. Are you hearing that? What the hell is that?
I want to die.
Is that a pigeon?
No, it's not a pigeon.
That is not a pigeon, was it? Did you hear it? It sounded like a... That sounded like a woman's laugh. It was like, what? Did you hear
Yeah.
it?
I heard that. What's in here? Can you tell what kind of building it is?
Museum, I think.
Really?
Yeah, look inside.
Oh. Wow. So there wouldn't be anyone in there. So what made those noises?
I think it's someone walking up there.
Oh my God, listen. Listen.
I can hear steps.
That noise. That noise. That's what it sounds like. A bloody scary movie.
It sounds like somebody's moving chairs upstairs, you know what I mean? Like scraping chairs along the floor. Upstairs.
Oh.
Police.
Oh, yeah, maybe. But we're not breaking in, we're making a video.
No.
He's got a walkie-talkie. I mean, we can... Did you hear that? Branch breaking.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, careful.
Oh, careful, God.
Here, let me give you a break.
Where was that noise coming from? Something dragging on the floor. Where was it coming from?
That door wasn't open.
It wasn't open.
It wasn't.
It looks like someone's pushed the door slightly. No, that was you.
That was me.
Oh,
It made me jump.
guys, I feel a little bit worried because we're literally in a corner.
I know.
Yeah, we should get out of the corner.
We need to make
Oh my
sure.
God, look how dark it
I
is.
know.
Look, without... Oh, sorry, just for a second. Whoa, no. Move out, move out.
Let's go.
There's something about this building.
There is.
Yep. No. Guys, we need to find the stairwell. Oh, well, careful. You can't really see where you're walking, so please be careful because there's stumps.
Yeah.
They are dangerous. Oh no, you're choking today.
No, don't.
No, the light's on.
No.
Oh, we can't do that.
But it was later.
Hang on, let me check.
Last time. It was 12. No, it wasn't.
Do you want to go down, please? That's a shame. Christina, what's your rendition of Wizard of Oz? Na, 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 na. This is not focusing. Focus!
This is really scary. Focus on my finger. Focus.
Okay.
Yeah.
Somebody want to do? Okay, so we're going to have to find somewhere else to film because there's obviously some recital going on in
Yeah,
there.
that's a shame. Okay,
What do
so
we do? Where do we go
gonna
now, huh?
what are we gonna do? So what we'll do is we'll try and look for another location. Sorry?
Vlogging?
Yeah.
Yes.
Vloggers?
Yeah.
I am too.
How are
I haven't
you?
got a light like that. That's
Oh, well, welcome to our
Hey.
vlog.
Yeah,
Nice
yeah.
to meet you. What's your name?
Michael, what are you guys doing there?
We
Ghost
vlog
vlogs.
ghosts.
You're
Yes.
disgusting, yeah?
Yeah.
I can show you where they are.
Where?
Really? Have you know some spots?
Yeah. What do you know about
We
this
don't.
area?
We don't know much history about the area.
This place here,
Yeah.
there's an ancient mound here. Yeah, so it's definitely an energy centre.
Brilliant.
Right? And this whole field here is linked to fairies.
Really?
So they have a fairy village here. Oh, we got some photo bombers. And this tree here, this tree where this guy's this is my favourite tree in the whole place.
Why is that?
Because it's under this big tree here,
Yeah.
and it supports, like people can climb on it. And I just think it's a really nice metaphor for like growth, and it's not the biggest tree. The biggest tree, I'll show you the biggest tree, which is this is a Benedictine priory. So this site was sort of like populated by monks that came over from France when the Normans invaded in 1066, and they set up a priory here because there's an energy centre here, obviously. And there's been sightings of all sorts of ghosts around there. So like there was one night where this horse and carriage just came down the hill, like literally, like right here, like right where we are now.
So we did sense something here.
Yeah, we did sense something there, yeah.
Definitely ghosts
okay.
here.
Oh,
Definitely,
wow.
yeah.
We could hear something in this building.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't
We
doubt
heard
it.
like chairs scraping against the floor and bangs.
It's not scary. Like this is a really nice area.
So
you know, it's a
they're
very
pleasant
friendly,
spirits,
very
yeah.
friendly area.
Okay.
I've not experienced anything nasty here, but there's definitely things, definitely things here. I'm really interested that you're into this. It's really weird.
It's weird. that we
I've
come
never
across
spoken
each
to anybody
other.
about it.
Is there anything specific that's happened here around this tree?
Nobody knows like what the history of this tree is and what else. So have you been in the forest?
No.
No,
I
we
wouldn't
haven't.
recommend you do it tonight.
No?
Like come back
Okay.
and do it, I'll show you around. But like
cool.
there's tree circles in there and yeah, seriously, there's an amazing tree circle in there.
Wow. This is what we're going to do then. Charlie. I think we're going to have to.
There must be a quiet spot though.
There.
Where?
What about where that bench is?
Yes.
We could sit there. Okay, dokie.
That's freaky.
Oh guys, I found the perfect spot.
Twice then.
You made us for yourself, and our hearts are restless until they rest on in you.
In you.
This is like a symbolism for the church, something like a commemoration. I just don't think it's respectful to do it here, so we could sit on the grass.
Yeah.
Or we could find another area, maybe away from, like round the back.
Yes.
Quieter. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh gosh, when that light isn't on, it's so dark.
I know.
Careful, ditch on the right.
Here. Where does this lead to, Chris?
Here.
Here, because we're out of view.
Yes.
That's an idea.
Perfect. Okay, we're going to do it here. Let me set up. We're at the graveyard. We're about to attempt the Charlie Challenge. Who's ready for this?
I'm ready.
How many times have we done this challenge now? We've done it like 2 times, and this will be our 3rd attempt. Whether it's a good idea.
This is my 2nd time using the Charlie.
Oh, of course, this is your 2nd time. For us, it's our 3rd time, isn't it? So
it's our 3rd time.
But I'm not sure. Sometimes I feel like with the. What?
what's that?
Does it sound like someone walking?
Sounds like somebody walking around.
I heard that. Did you hear that?
Yes. Okay, let's just ignore it.
Yeah.
Maybe it's just people walking by.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, so you always start this off by saying, Charlie, Charlie, do you want to play? Charlie, Charlie, move the pencil to yes or no. Charlie, Charlie, are you here?
Charlie, Charlie, do you want to play?
Charlie, Charlie, do you want to play at all? Doesn't seem very responsive today, does he?
No.
Tonight, should I say. Sai, maybe you should try. No. I did hear something this time. Charlie, Charlie, are you around here?
Don't say that. Oh my god.
What was that breathe? Okay, I'm just getting a bit closer to these two because
I'm kind of getting freaked out as well.
Chris, how are you feeling?
Did you hear?
I feel scared.
Can you come here? Come closer to us,
Come
please.
closer to us. Did you hear the twigs breaking?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
I did, and it's but it's pitch black. If you switch this light off, right, and we're not going to do that because we are scared.
No way.
Okay, we're just realigning the pencils again. Okay, so why do we always hear fireworks in our vlogs?
That's true.
Last week we did, remember?
Maybe we need to vlog fireworks.
We can't put the pencil on.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, here we go.
I don't know if you got that. You might have seen that. The way the pencil was balanced, it could be, but that was kind of rocking backwards and forwards. Don't know what that was.
Is there anybody there? Please don't play games if there's somebody here. Charlie.
I heard twigs breaking. Guys, and that's in a different place.
Okay, let's just finish this challenge. Let's give it a few more minutes and then I think we should leave.
Yeah.
Charlie, Charlie, are you around us?
Why is the pencil moving like that?
It's just like tip. If you are here, make a noise. I can hear somebody walking, so can I. Is this a good idea?
I think someone's following us.
I don't think we're on our. I don't think we're on our own.
Don't think we're on our blood.
Someone's following us.
What the hell was that? I can't see any.
No. Do you know what? I'm not even joking. I can actually hear someone.
What is that?
Christina, be careful. Christina, please don't walk alone. There's nobody there.
It's someone there.
Christina, please don't walk alone. There's nobody there.
It's someone there.
No.
I think someone's there. I think someone's there.
Get out.
Get out.
Shit!
In my bag.
Quick! Go. Oh my god!
3.
Run! Guys, be careful! Quickly!
I can't see. I think someone was following us.
Oh,
Yeah.
what was that? I swear I saw something horrible.
I know, it was someone behind the tree. I swear it.
What the hell was that? What the hell was it?
We were hearing noises that whole time. Alright. Well, we're out of that place now, so we should be alright.
This doesn't help walking through here, does it? Christina, are we going back to yours?
Yes, we're going back to mine.
I don't want to stay here.
I know.
We're going back to mine.
Can I stay around yours tonight, please?
Yes, you can.
Yeah,
So
I
you
might
can
stay
stay.
as well. I
Yeah.
don't think I want to go back.
Did you hear that? What? Oh, someone's there.
We're going back to Christina's house. We're absolutely petrified. We've never had anything like this ever happen to us.
Someone is following us.
Definitely. I'm actually scared, guys. I'm feeling really anxious. I'm feeling sick.
Okay, we're going down.
Can we just get back to yours, Chris, please? Come on. Sorry, come on.
This looks freaky already.
What is it?
I feel someone's following us.
So do I. I actually don't feel safe.
I tell you, someone's following us.
A minute. Have we got much longer to go?
No.
Why do I feel like someone's following
Can
us?
you not say that, Simon? Because my heart is just... But I know what you mean. I feel really uncomfortable. Like somebody is waiting.
Why do we...
Oh, that's just a train. It's okay. It's just...
Look.
What?
I'm hearing footsteps.
It wasn't that.
What is going on?
Okay, I'm keeping an eye out in front of us. Just every now and then, just check your back because
There's
I'm...
nobody behind us.
Okay.
Can we just get back to yours, please? Oh, I'm feeling really shaky.
I'm actually scared.
What's that? What is that? What is that?
Don't-
What was that?
What's that?
Oh my god!
Guys! Oh my God! No,
Christina,
no, no. Christina, go! Christina!
The camera! The camera!
Hurry up! Christina!
We left the camera behind. I left the camera.
I don't want to go back there. I don't want to go
No,
back
you
there.
have to go. We have to.
Okay.
We have to.
No, guys.
Right, okay, hang on. Let me get my torch out so that, because it's heavy. We need to...
Christina, please, be careful.
I need to go. I need
Go
to.
together. Okay, we'll go together. Simon, quick. Can't believe we left that there quickly.
Oh God. Hurry up. Go. Christina, hurry up.
Christina, come on.
I'm here.
What the hell? I can hear something. Just stop it.
Hurry up.
Hurry up. Christina, we need to get back to yours now.
Guys, I'm so scared.
What the hell just happened? I feel sick. What the hell just happened? Has that ever happened to you before?
No.
I'm freaked out. I am so freaked out. Guys,
Tiny,
we were in danger today.
What has happened?
Someone's following. I think we need to get to my.
I don't even want to go back
Come
there.
on, come on, let's just go back to yours. Let's just go back to yours.
What on earth?
Is it following us? I don't know what. It was someone with a mask, and I didn't like
Why
it.
is he following us?
I don't know. I have got a really bad feeling about this. I mean, I can't even get the words out of my mouth. I can't speak.
Someone is following us. I don't know where. It's
Just gotta watch us. Okay, we need to go back to
Chris,
yours.
let's just go back to yours.
Keep an eye out.
Everybody just keep vigilant, okay?
Yeah. I keep on looking around like
Me
I'm just
too.
worried.
Every corner, every shadow is just making me feel really edgy. I can't believe tonight. I really cannot believe what happened tonight.
It's like it just goes to show that it's not.
I'm just expecting someone to come round that corner.
Oh, don't. That's what I'm feeling. That's exactly what I'm feeling. Christina, you need to be careful from when you're walking back from now on, please. Because this is not good. Do you think somebody just seen our vlogs and just wants to play a joke?
But how did they know we were coming here?
Yeah, that's so true. Only we know.
No, obviously, someone knows we are here.
But how?
But we never disclosed it on YouTube or Instagram, nothing.
Don't know.
We didn't say
And if
the
I do
location.
disclose the location, I never put what day.
Oh yeah,
Never.
that's true.
Okay.
Can we just go to your room, please?
Is it? Yeah. Okay.
Gosh, what a night. What a night.
I'm so freaked out. I'm so scared.
Can I lock this door, Chris?
Yes. Okay.
I'm so scared. Okay, I think we're just going to end the vlog.
Thank you for watching. We Vlog Ghost. Follow us and press like, and thank you very
so
much.
much, yeah.
And share.
And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.
Yes, please do. Really appreciate it too.
What? I think someone's watching us.
Oh, don't
Please
say
turn
that,
the light off. Turn the light
I
off.
don't want to
Turn the light off. Turn it off.
Don't, please, guys.
It can't be, man. You're safe in
Don't.
there.
Look.
What?
Guys, call the police. Call the police.
Call the police.
I don't like this.
What is it doing?
Guys, what on earth? Please.
I actually think we should call the
Can
police.
we call the police? There's somebody.
Yes,
I
call the
can't even
police.
speak.
Take the phone. Turn the light on.
Christine, I'm really scared. I don't want to.
You know.
Is he still out there?
Why are we switching the light on? I don't want to do this.
If we've got the light on, he can see us.
Shh. Oh my God. He left something there.
What is
What
it?
the hell?
I tell you, you should call the police. Call the
now.
police.
Okay.
Christina,
Turn the light on.
quick,
I
turn it.
can't.
Close your curtains.
Can you?
Close your curtains.
It's not there. It's not there.
Is he
He left something.
We've
no,
just
no,
had
no,
someone being following us. If he comes
It's
back
not
again,
the point. He was
if
intimidating.
I know, but if he comes back again, then they can then come
Outside your
round.
house, for God's sake.
We're gonna.
What did he leave? I don't know if we should go out. But no, seriously, I don't think we should go out.
We need to know what it is. What is left there?
Okay.
I'm scared. Is he gone? Is he definitely gone?
Yeah, see. As long as he's not behind the wall.
Don't say that.
Seriously,
This is not a
guys,
joke.
I think
This is not a joke.
this is a bad idea.
Just run, please.
Go.
Oh.
What does it say?
What is that?
What is it?
Guys,
We left that on
that's
the
ours.
cemetery.
That's
What the
ours.
hell?
That's a Charlie.
That's ours. So he's been following us that whole time.
We left it at the cemetery.
Yeah.